Let's make this origami high-heel shoe together. All you're gonna need for it are 2 pieces of square paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters. And let's start by folding your paper in half on first diagonal. Now that you have it, just open it and fold it in half on the other diagonal. Like so. Now if you want, you can add one additional step, but it's not necessary. For this, you can open this part of the paper and fold this point of the paper to the center, so fold this part in half. Like so. And fold it up over this already existing line, but as I said, it's not necessary. Now you will fold this bottom line of the paper and align it with this center line. Like so, and do the same with this left side. Lift it up, align it with the center line, and press it down. And next step, you will lift your paper, rotate it, and now fold this upper right line of the paper inwards to the center line. Take all of the layers, align them with the center line, and press them down. And the same with the left side. Like so. Now you will open this triangle, place your finger in the middle of it, and open it, and align this upper line with this bottom line. Just press it down. Do this also on this side. Like so. Now in next step, you will take this triangle, lift it up and fold it upwards, and those two edges will stop you. So this one and this one, lift it up. Now unfold it and fold this corner of the paper to this line that you just made. Fold it over this line, like so. But now you will tuck those two corners underneath this layer right here. So tuck it in, fold it backwards, like so. And now in next step, you will crisscross those two parts. So cross them, leave the center of the shoe up, like so. Fold this part of the paper backwards with a line and this one inwards, like so. And now you will tuck those two corners between those two layers that you have. So on one side, tuck it in, and now this corner between those two layers. And you've made the front of your shoe. Now let's start with folding the back of the shoe. You will start the same as the front of the shoe, so fold it on both diagonal lines. And now this step is necessary. Open this layer and fold this part in half, so bring the corner to this center cross. Like so, and rotate it up. Like this. Now you will turn your paper over so that you have a full triangle and align the bottom lines of the paper to the center line. fold those two edges of the paper inwards, so we will try to divide it in 3 equal parts. So bring it in a little bit over the center line, and the other. So I see that those two sides are not symmetrical. I will need to bring this one a little bit inwards. Like so, and press it down. Now I will unfold them, turn my paper around, and bring this layer of the paper, so that it has 2 sides of the paper, in, leave this part up, and bring this inner corner in and fold it over this already existing line. So in on the line, press it down, and the same with this inner corner. Take the layer that is loose, drag it over, align it and press it down like this, and now press the whole part of the paper down. Next, take this part of the paper and fold it in half, so align this line with this line. Take it in, fold it in half, like so, on one side. You will open this part of the paper and reverse fold it on already existing lines, so just this line that's facing downwards, lift it up and press it inwards so that it's facing in the other direction, all the way over, and press it down. The same with the other sides. Align this line with this line, like so. Press it down really firmly, unfold it, leave this part of the paper up, pinch this line so that it will be facing upwards, like so, and bring all of the bottom layer in, so reverse fold it on already existing lines and press it down. You will lift this part of the paper and try to fold it from the middle to this part right here. You can do it by folding it from the middle to this part right here, and now lift it up and just fold it in the opposite direction, like this, and the same with the other side, from the middle to this corner right here, press it down, and now fold it in the opposite direction. Like so. You will lift this part up, try to pinch it on the line, and fold the sides of the paper over this already existing line. So fold it in on one side, pinch it together so that you will get a high heel, and on the other side over this line. Like so. And now if I turn it around, all I need to do is lift these sides of the paper upwards, try to round it a little bit, like so, and now I have a heel. I will just push it inwards a little bit, and now all that it's left to do is combine these two parts together. Place this layer of the paper up on this one, and those two corners you will slide them into pockets right here, so one on this side and the other on this side. So this one goes up, and now in one pocket and in the other, like so. Slide it as far as it goes, and you've made your origami shoe with high heel.